Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first one is a dog. A dog is a farm animal. A leopard. This is a leopard. A leopard is a wild animal. The next animal is a hippo. This is a hippopotamus. The next one is a zebra. This is a zebra. The next one is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next one is a rhino. This is a rhino. The next animal is a cow. This is a cow. The next one is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next one is a deer. This is a deer. The next one is a camel. This is a camel. The next animal is a lion. This is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. The next one is a lioness. This is a lioness. The next animal is a rabbit.